Slime. I just made it today. You can tell, you see all this messes. I made it today, so. It's so cool, nigga.
My slime isn't.
That's my other sister ones. You can tell, this dirty. Our solution dirty. Glue dirty. Our dishwasher soap is dirty. Our green, our solution dirty.
That's the full color.
Full color.
Contact lens solution.
It's so
dirty. So now how can I set it up?
Y'all know I'm gonna post this video too. I hope I get a lot of likes, Chrissy.
Can I please get up to 2 million likes?
Can I please get up to 2 million likes? Last time I did a prank on them, it was fake blood, and I think he bumped himself on the wall. I should have took a video of that and posted it on YouTube, but all I was thinking about was laughing. So, oh God, my back hurt. Like,
look at
all this.
Look.
See her slime?
Look, guys, it's not sticky. These are things in my hand because I put food color on there and I'm playing with it, so that's why it was sticky. Because when I first put the dishwasher, I know y'all can only make slime. Y'all know y'all don't have to use color. Me and my sister use color because we wanted to. Cause it might look real pretty, and it is looking real pretty.
First thing you need is glue. Second thing you need is food color. Third thing you need is contact solution.
Third thing is dishwasher liquid. For real, y'all guys, y'all really don't need contact solution, but we use it so it can be more stretchier. So
and this really dissolves it for real. It really make it slime. This don't even do it.
And make it stretchy.
Last time we did it with only glue, our solution, and this. But I know food color, so.
But it was not real stretchy when we did not use this. So
I made like 4 different slimes, y'all.
So tell me, look at your page. You're going to see 4 slimes.
Look on my page, too. Y'all going to see, Nick, a lot of slime. Jupiter slimes, Nick. So cool. And I know I haven't posted some videos, so I don't even know. Do I got a name for YouTube video? So make sure you subscribe and press that like button.
Say comment and try to get to 2 million likes.
And make sure you comment down below.
And I'm gonna try to get 2 million likes.
And we're trying to get to 2 million likes. Bye bye.